Many times information will be added or updated in the system that requires a real-time response from others or a real-time update. The alert system built into ShareVision is called the Email Alert Manager. It's a powerful built-in alert engine that can send alerts on various conditions to various people that you control. Let's go take a look at it. Here we are in the Site Administration Center of the ShareVision site. This is where the Email Alert Manager exists. I'm going to open it up. The first thing we see is the alerts that we have set up already. I can see that there are 6 active alerts. Let's create a new alert so we can see all the different functionality that you have control over. First thing you're going to do when setting up a new alert is give it a name. In this case, it's Risk Assessment, Critical Incident. Feel free to leave yourself some comments so you remember what the alert's for. Is the alert active on the system? Is it currently firing off when the condition you're listing below is met? What is your alert set up on? In this case, it's your risk assessments. Here is where you'd choose your critical incidents, your daily journals, whatever you would like the alert to fire off on. Do you want the alert to go when a new risk assessment's put in the system, when one is edited, when one is new or edited? In this case, we're going to say when a risk assessment is edited. We're also going to give it a further condition of what field or column in the risk assessment will the alert fire off on. In this case, we're saying level of risk. And we want the alert to fire off when the value in that column is changed to critical. You can also add a second condition if you want. This is the section where you have control over who will receive the email alert on the risk assessment. What you're looking at is various contacts in the system related to the client, related to their program. You also have the ability to have an external contact like your funders or people not ShareVision users. The next section is where you compose the email. You have control over what the subject line will say. You have control over what the body of the email will say. You can also control what columns from the risk assessment itself will show up in the email. Last thing, you can include a link directly to the risk assessment. Let's go take a look at what happens when one is edited. Here we are over in one of your client's files or details page. We're going to click on his risk assessment, open up his existing risk assessment, and change the column called level of risk from current value to critical. This should fire off the email alert that we just set up on save. Let's take a look in the inbox of one of the recipients you specified. There is the alert that fired off when we changed the column to critical. Let's take a look at it. There's the subject line that you specified. In the body of the email, there's the body of the email you had control over specifying. Below that are the columns that you wanted included from the risk assessment, and there's a link included in the email where the person can click directly on it and go directly to the risk assessment that fired off the alert. The ShareVision Email Alert Manager is an incredibly powerful but easy to use alerting system for real-time data collaboration. Thanks for watching.